What's up everyone? So I just went to the silo, the Zeitmacher art gallery in Cape Town. It was pretty cool. Saw some weird stuff. I didn't take any photos of it, but I did take some architectural style photos, some black and white, which is pretty cool. So I'll put those up on the screen, and yeah, watch me edit some of those, see what you think. Comment down below if you're doing any different. Yeah, just follow along and check it out. All right, cheers guys. Hi guys, so my camera's about to die and I don't have a spare battery and I haven't charged it. It's on 6%, but before it runs out, I'm in this really cool forest in the middle of like an urban area, so it's like kind of a stealthy woodland. Yeah, so there's a really cool river running through it. I've bought some oranges and nachos and then one apple that I'm going to put out on some of the dead fallen trees. So yeah, let's see if we can find some wildlife, any birds. I've seen a couple eagles here before, so we'll see what we can see and hopefully we can photograph them. Let's go. Delicious. So behind me are these really cool fallen dead trees. I don't know if you can see me. So behind me are these really cool fallen dead trees. They're just lying across in this little open area. So I've got some little oranges and nachos and a leatherman, and then I'm just going to cut them in half and then just put them along the top of the fallen down trees. Yeah, great food for birds when it's becoming summer and things are hard to find, but yeah, let's do it. yeah, thanks for watching this one. We might do another one just now. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, and please comment down below what you think about my editing. Super simple, basic, that's what I do. And please follow me on Instagram. Bye, print. Bye-bye.